Please listen here. Let f is equal to 2x y cube I plus 1 plus 3x square y square j. Then first show that f is conservative vector field. We have the result if f is equal to small of I plus small gj and dou f by dou y is equal to dou small f by dou y is equal to dou g by dou x, then we say that capital F is conservative. When the vector field capital F is conservative, we have the result. If capital F is equal to small f I plus small gj and dou f by dou y is equal to dou g by dou x, then capital F is conservative. So, given capital F is equal to 2x y cube I plus 1 plus 3x square y square j, that is of the form capital F is equal to small f I plus small g j, where small f is equal to 2xy cube and small g is equal to 1 plus 3x square y square. To prove it is conservative, it is enough to show that dou f by dou y is equal to dou g by dou x. F is equal to 2xy cube, differentiating small f partially with respect to y, then dou f by dou y is equal to 2x into 3y square is equal to 6xy square. Here small g is equal to 1 plus 3x square y square, then differentiating small g with respect to y, with respect to x, we get dou g by dou x, derivative of 1 is 0, 3 is constant, y square is constant, derivative of x square is 2x, so this is 6xy square. Here dou f by dou y is 6xy square and dou g by dou x is 6xy square. Thus dou f by dou y is equal to dou g by dou x, which implies capital F is equal to small f I plus small gj is conservative. Is a conservative vector field. Is a conservative vector field. That is, capital F is equal to 2xy cube I plus 1 plus 3x square y square j is a conservative vector field. Is conservative vector field. We already have. So first question is over. What is the second question? Also find the scalar potential or the potential function. We already have a definition that if the vector field capital F, if the vector field capital F is conservative, then we can written capital F by, then there exists a scalar function. There exists a scalar function phi. Then there exists a scalar function phi, so that capital F can be written as gradient of the scalar function phi, and phi is called scalar potential of F. Scalar potential of F or potential function. We already know that if the vector field capital F is conservative, then F can be written as del phi, and this phi is called scalar potential. Here this capital F is conservative, so this F can be written as del phi, that is 2x y cube I plus 1 plus 3x square y square j can be written as del phi, that is, what is del phi? Del phi is equal to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. We take only two, ith component and jth component, because left side has only ith component and jth component only. So that is dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj is equal to f. What is f? 2x y cube I plus 1 plus 3x square y square j. That is, here a vector, right side is a vector, two vectors are equal, so the equating the components we get dou phi by dou x is equal to 2xy cube and dou phi by dou y, equating jth component, dou phi by dou y is 1 plus 3x square y square. This is equation 2. Integrate partially with respect to x. We get integration of dou phi by dou x, we get phi. Integrating partially with respect to x, here we get integral of dou phi by dou x partially with respect to x is equal to integral of 2xy cube partially with respect to x, and here integrating partially with respect to y, integral of dou phi by dou y partially with respect to y is equal to integral of 1 plus 3x square y square d dou y. Here integrating partially with respect to x, we get phi is equal to, here integrating partially with respect to x, that time 2y cube is constant, integration of x is x square by 2 plus here we take y cube is constant, so we take a function psi of y is constant, and integrating this partially with respect to y, we get phi. Here integrating y with respect to y partially, so answer is y. Integration of 1 with respect to y is y. Here 3x square is constant, integration of y square is y cube by 3 plus a function h of x is a constant function. Here the function in terms of x is always constant, here function in terms of y is always constant. So we get two phi's. One is phi is equal to, here 2 cancelled, here 2 cancel, so x square y cube plus psi of y, and phi is next, phi is y plus 3 cancelled, x square y cube, y plus x square y cube, y plus x square y cube plus h of x. Here phi of y and h of x are constants. We choose, this is the important line, we choose phi is equal to, here x cube y cube, first x cube y, we write x cube y cube, here we select the first term x cube y cube, and we cannot select this term, and then select this first term of second phi is y, and again we look this term x cube plus x square y cube. This x square y cube is already first term of first phi, so we cannot choose this term, and we choose only one term y. ഇവിടെ x square y cube ആദ്യം എഴുതി, അടുത്ത രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഇവിടെയുള്ള ടേം y, ആ y നെ എഴുതി. ഇനി ഇതാ ഒരു x square y cube കിടപ്പുണ്ട്. ഈ x square y cube നമ്മൾ ഇനി എടുക്കത്തില്ല, കാരണം ആൾറെഡി x square y cube ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു ആണല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ വീണ്ടും ഇങ്ങനെ x square y cube ഒന്നും എഴുതില്ല നമ്മൾ, ആ ടേം അവിടെ എടുക്കത്തില്ല, പ്ലസ് ഒരു k കൊണ്ട് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കും. ഇനി അവിടെ x square y cube ഉം y ഉം അല്ലാത്ത വേറെ ടേംസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എടുക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടേംസ് എടുക്കത്തില്ല, റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടേംസ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കത്തില്ല. അപ്പോൾ we choose phi is equal to x square y cube plus y plus a constant k. This is the potential function. So this phi is equal to x square y cube plus y plus k is the potential function or scalar potential function of f.